Okay, talk about weird noises. Here we go. That's what it looks like when your ABS sensors, wheel sensors go out. I also wanted to add that I didn't experience any of the other issues that other people had, like erratic speedometers, loss of power, nothing abnormal. The car drives absolutely normal. I have all the power that I originally had, no braking issues, nothing. Just got off the phone with the Porsche dealership nearby, and indeed, my or I guess wheel sensors are covered for 10 years. So luckily, mine's still covered for another year and a half. So he said bring it in and they'll get it swapped out. So anyways, good news. So on the way there, we'll let you guys know what comes of it. He said he could get it done today.